What up, KZN? Welcome to my new show, the dopest show in KZN. DOP! It's the dopest show in KZN, Deben Online Podcast with Fly. So, Sanibonani, I hope everybody's okay. Abanye abantu bayayibuza ukuthi what happened to the Basement Podcast? Well, the Basement Podcast is a corner, but existing kwenye ndawo. This time around, sila with DOP, and this time around, we don't give a shit. Lalela sobe sikhuluma ngawe, sikhuluma ngabangani bakho, sikhulume ngeindaba zabantu, sikhulume ngepolitiki, sikhulume ngezombusazwe, sikhulume nge-war, sikhulume about everything. I'm talking about kusukela ezangomeni key'nyangeni kuye kulo mama owamithisa washiya ingane wangabusayi support. So anyway, welcome to my show, guys. It's gonna be a nice journey with you. So please make sure the first thing you need to do is to just press that button, smash it right now, subscribe, and make sure you get the notification every time I drop an episode. And we're also gonna have some special guests. Maybe like I'm talking about all over the world, overseas. I don't care where you are because this time around it's a new age podcast. As you can see, Mark G is doing his new changes. I'm also doing my new changes. And this time around, I don't care where you are. If you want to interview like I am, it's gonna be simple. You don't even have to come to my studio. We're gonna do it the new way. So this is the new podcasting era, and if you don't understand, ask somebody. And Bafetu, only the juiciest news is coming up. But indaba ezizobe zisema-newspaper-ni, but indaba ezizobe zikuma TV, online, everywhere. So analyze nani la. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's going to have something to say. You know what I mean? We're going to be interviewing comedians, actors, everywhere. But let me remind you about something. About this type of podcast, I find that I'm a podcaster like AKZN, where you're going to just be a guest and then umbuze the very same question as was mina. Ubani wakabani, waqala lini ukucula. Damn, that's boring. We got a new way of doing things now. Well, as you smash that subscribe button. The DOP with Fly. So make sure my face you're gonna enjoy the ride. And I don't care whether wena ukhuluma isingisi or maybe umtswana. Sizoba nama-subtitles, ne? And mina abantu abaningi bazothi angisazi isingisi. This time around you're gonna see who the fuck I am and what I'm capable of. So I'm sure to all the haters out there, they are wondering what the fuck is going on. Dog, eat this. We are in the new era and I'm gonna show you flames. So stick around, guys. Make sure you support and also make sure we reach 1,000 subscribers within 2 weeks. Let's go right now. So anyway, guys, there's gonna be a lot of stories. I've got stories for my radio station, how they operate, and what's going on inside that big machine. I also got some stories about TV, what's going on behind the scene. I've also got some stories in the music industry. I got stories in the comedy sector. I've got stories in the business sector. Even politics. I'm gonna be a politician for some change, like me, Fly Motion. Like I said, welcome to my show, guys, the Deben Online Podcast, the dopest show in KZN, if not the world, DOP. So please take a friend to Fly to another amazing show. Like I don't wanna the Basement Podcasting supported it and everything was okay. I could monetize. I got 22,000 views. But now this one is going to be the most and the dopest show in KZN. So anyway, guys, I don't know. Maybe you can tell me what other things that you are interested into in terms of when you do a podcast, because I know sometimes we miss the point and then it's focused when you're talking to you guys as my audience. You know exactly what you want, so this is your show. So I can't wait to share a comment with you. We're also going to be doing our lives, and we're also going to be sharing our live comments on the live. We're also going to be live on FB, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and also TikTok at the same damn time. So mega interviewer now, and you also happen to have these platforms. You're gonna be able to go live with me on your own. So I just can't wait for the first story that I'm gonna drop. But please look out for the dopest show on earth. Yes. And bafethu, by the way, sizobaxeni kakhulu. Khona le zitori zasekasi, like ukubona khona labo baba bagqoka amakepisi amnyama. Hey, I really need to know what's going on. Laba bayigqoka khona bama-barrets amnyama, and then khona laba abangathi amakepisi amnyama. The difference there, we're gonna check all of those things, guys, because we don't know. We grew up begqoka leza zinto faka brentwood nama-pull over usexini bese beshaya lezi gqoko ezimnyama ezama-barrets. Obani abantu, but mina wena ngisakhula bedume ngokuthi bayagwazana. So stick around, guys. It's gonna be a nice show. This is just an intro, and I'm sure with comment section you're gonna drop something and say hi, or maybe anything you would like to add on this new podcast. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you on my next video. DOP!